how to redeem reward through the Barclaycard app. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'll be showing you the ways to redeem reward through the Barclaycard app. So for that, you have to follow the steps. First thing, you'll have to go and log in into your account. So tap the login button in the top right hand side and then enter in your credential and log in into your account. Once logged in, look for the section of the app that is dedicated to reward or point redemption. These section might be labeled as reward, points, benefit, or something similar. You could go ahead and tap on the section to access your reward. And in the reward section, you should see a list of available reward or redemption option. This may include cashback, travel reward, gift card, merchandise, and other benefit depending on your reward program associated with your Barclaycard. And then you could go ahead and choose the reward you want to redeem for, the available options. If you are redeeming cashback, you may have the option to apply it towards your statement balance or receive it as a deposit into your bank account. And then you could follow the prompt to complete the redemption process, and after successfully redeeming your reward, you should receive confirmation within the app. This may include a summary of your redemption, the amount or your value redeemed, and or any remaining reward balance as well. Now occasionally check the reward section of the app for update on available redemption options, special offers, or promotion. This may allow you to maximize the value of your reward. And if encounter any difficulties with the redeem or rewarding, that is how you can redeem reward through the Barclaycard app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.